welcome to e-learning class. In this session, we are going to cover a very important topic, speed, distance and time, which has been taken from the first chapter of NCERT Class 5 Mathematics book, The Fish Tale. After covering this topic, you will be able to solve day-to-day problems based on this topic. As we have already studied the basic concept of this, today we'll see how we can use a super triangle rule to remember the formula in this topic. For this, take a triangle and divide the triangle into two parts by drawing a horizontal line over it. The lower part of the triangle should also be divided into two parts to get three different parts of the triangle. Write a D in the upper part, S in the lower left part and T in the lower right part of the triangle. Here D stands for distance, S for speed and T means time. Now we'll see how we can use this super triangle to remember the formula. Suppose we have to find the formula of D, then hide D and you will left with only S and T. So the formula for distance is equal to S into T, that is distance is equal to speed into time. Similarly, if you have to find the formula of speed, then hide S and you will left with only D and T and there is a line in between them. So the formula for a speed will become D by T, distance divided by time. Similarly, if you have to find the formula for T, that means time, then hide T and you will be left with D and S. There is a line in between, so that will denote division. So the formula for time will become distance divided by speed. That's it. Now let us try to solve some word problems using this super triangle rule. First question has been taken from NCERT book. A motor boat travels at a speed of about 20 km in 1 hour. How far would the motor boat go in 3 hours? Students, remember, first try to find what is your aim, what we have to find out and what other information has been given in the question. So after reading the question, what to find and what is given, you have to write it down. So if you read, then you will easily find that it has been talked about its speed, which is 20 km per hour, and how far means what is the distance it will cover in 3 hours. So we have to find distance and a speed and time is given. So if you use the super triangle rule, then the formula for distance is equal to S into T. That means distance is equal to a speed into time. Distance is equal to 20, which is a speed, and 3, which is time. So 20 into 3 will become 60 km. Now let us solve one more problem. The second question, a motor boat travels at a speed of about 20 km per hour. How much time will it take to go 85 km? Again, we have to find time and given is speed and distance. So the super triangle rule will be applicable. Time is equal to distance by speed. Distance is 85 kilometer. Divide this distance by its speed, which is 20 kilometer per hour. So you will get 4.25 hours. That's it. Hope you have enjoyed. Thank you.